Hello, dear students. I am your computer teacher Pankaj Kumar, and this is the video for class 6, chapter number 5, MS Word Some More Features. You know, in the previous class, we have discussed some of the important topics, that is functional components of a computer, input device, CPU and output device. These three are known as the functional components of a computer. Input device, CPU and output device are known as functional components of a computer. Then we have discussed about difference between RAM and ROM, and we have also discussed about difference between data and information, difference between input device and output device. So these topics has been discussed and you have understood very nicely. Now coming to the next chapter, this is chapter number 5. This is chapter number 5, MS Word, some more features. So in this chapter, we will study about introduction to MS Word, working with text box, creating a text box, formatting text in a text box, and applying a text box style. So we will discuss these topics. So first coming to the first topic, introduction to MS Word. What is MS Word? Microsoft Word is a word processing application made by Microsoft. Microsoft company has made MS Word, which allows users to type and save documents. It is especially used for typing and saving the documents, which is required in your day-to-day life. And it has .docx file extension. It has an extension file name which ends with .docx. Okay, because each and every file has some file extension. Like if you have your image file, its extension is .jpeg. If you are having PDF file, its extension is .pdf. If you are having some presentation file, its file extension is .pptx. Okay, so in the same way, MS Word has file extension .docx. Now coming to next topic, working with text box. Working with text box. What is a text box? A text box is a special type of shape that allows us to add text in the document. You can see, suppose if you are having this MS Word, okay, so you can go to this insert tab, and here you can see this text box is present here. Okay, so it is a special type of box where you can insert your text. You can see text box is a special type of shape that allows us to add text in a document. Text boxes give us control over the position of a block of text in the document. You have control over the position of block of text where you want to place that block. It is under your control. Okay, and we can place text boxes anywhere in the document and format them with shading and borders. You can format the text boxes according to your choice. Okay, now you have to learn how to create text box. To create a text box, you have to follow the given steps. First, click on the Insert tab. You can, let me delete this text box. What is the first step? First step is to click on the Insert tab. In the menu bar, you can see Home, Insert, Page Layout. You have to click on Insert. And then, second step, click on the text box. You can see this is the text box option. You have to click here. Now, what is the third step? Click on Draw Text Box. You have to click on text box, then go to the bottom, you can see this option, draw text box. Okay, now this plus sign symbol is here. Now using your mouse, you can drag in your document, you can drag inside the MS Word document and text box will be drawn. You can see the step number 4, click in the document where text box is to be inserted and then drag the mouse to drag the text box. So you have this plus sign and you can drag using your mouse and text box will be created. Okay. Now this text box has been created here. Now you can enter any type of text. You can enter any type of text inside it. Standard 6. I've written a standard 6. Computer. Okay, so in this way you can create a text box. Now coming to the next topic. Next topic is formatting text in a text box. The following steps are, for formatting text in the text box, you have to follow the given steps. First, step number 1, select the text in the text box. And step number 2, click on the home tab. Step number 3, select any option from the font group to format the text in the text box. Okay. So you can see first we have to select the text in the text box and then click on home tab. So suppose you have drawn this text box and you need formatting in the text box. So first you need to select the text, whatever written inside the text box, and then click on the home tab. You go to the menu bar and click on the home tab, and here you can change its formatting. Like you can change its writing style. Okay, you can make it consoler or magneto, cosmic sans ms. Okay, suppose I have chosen this one, comic sans ms. Okay, you can increase the size, you can make it bold, you can make it italic, underline, etc. Okay, so by using this formatting, you can format your text according to your need. Okay, according to your need, you can format your text. Now coming to the next topic. Next topic is applying a text box style. How you can apply a text box style. To apply a text box style, we follow the following steps. Step number 1, double click on the border of the text box. So first you need to double click the border of the text box so that it can be selected. Step number 2, click the more button, the down arrow in the text box style group of the format tab. You can see first you need to select the border of the text box. Double click on the border of the text box. Now it has been selected. Now what you have to do, in the menu bar, you can see the format tab. You click on the format tab and here you will see the arrow. More button is here. This arrow is known as the more button. You have to click on this arrow and then many different types of styles will be appeared here. You have to select any one. You can see the steps. Click on the more button, the down arrow in the text box style group of the format tab. Click on any of the styles. Selected style is applied to the text box. You can see. You click on this more button. Many different styles will be appeared in front of you. You can select any one. that style will be, uh, your text will appear in the following styles. The selected style will be applied to the text box. Okay, this selected style will be applied to the text box. So in this way, you can format your text, you can change the style of your text. Okay, and we will study more about it in the next class, children. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.